Hello and welcome to the practical magic of frugal living. And today I'm going to share with you a quick tip on knife sharpening. Now if you ever find yourself in a pinch and you need to sharpen your knife but you don't have a sharpener available, something that you can use is a cup. It has to be a certain kind of cup, a glazed cup that has a ring on the bottom that is exposed ceramic. Now the only two cups that I have that have this are old, but I know that I've seen bigger mugs with that sort of terracotta bottom ring too. Now this is the part that's going to sharpen your knife. I believe this is Swedish or Norwegian, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that means, so if you know, please tell me in the comments below. Anyway, just take your knife, and this really works. I use it all the time because I don't have a sharpener right now. And let's see if the proof is in the pudding, or actually in the tomato. Tomatoes are really hard to cut if you don't have a sharp knife. Look at that. Check that out. Yes. So there you go. Quick tip for knife sharpening. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more of what I do, please subscribe and check out my channel, The Practical Magic of Frugal Living.